Hello guys, I'm Syaz and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to show you guys my daily makeup routine. Okay, so this is how my skin looks like without makeup. I only have my lenses on. So my skin problem right now is mainly acne scars, as you can see here, and sometimes bumps on my forehead and cheeks. So yeah, let's get into it. So to start off, I will be putting my sunscreen first. So I got my sunscreen from Athirah. This is the Sunrise Mask Daily Sunscreen. It's really good because it has an SPF of 50, so it will protect your skin from the sun and toxic people. So this is it. So this is how I apply my sunscreen. And please remember to wash your hands first. So next up, I'm going to apply my foundation, which is from Fenty Beauty, and my shade is 290. I did some research and there's no right or wrong way to apply it. For me, I apply my foundation first because it's a base. If I'm lazy to wear foundation, I will just use my concealer. It's weird to see me, to see me blending my foundation with my hands, with my fingers. But yeah, I've been doing this for almost 1 year. To be honest, my skin has improved because of this technique. Yes. Okay, so I've applied my foundation and this is how it looks like. Next up, I'm going to apply some concealer. Oh my god, how do I do this? Okay. By the way, I got my concealer from Wet n Wild. So I'm done with my base. I'm going to set my makeup using this powder from Maybelline, and this is in the shade 20, light medium. Okay, so I'm just going to set my face. You can bake if you want, but I don't like to bake my face, so yeah. So now it's done. Ta-da! Okay. I'm using this from SASA. It's black in color. To draw and align. Okay, since today I'm not lazy, I'm going to apply eyeliner. So this is the pen. And this is some pomade thing. I don't know where I bought this from. Let's do the wing first. And then just line the rest. So once you're done with the wing, you can just fill the ends. Okay. So tada, the wing is done. And I'm going to do the next one. Okay, so now it's done. I just noticed that the previous clips are not focused, but it's okay. Yeah, so just a recap, I've done my brows and my eyeliner. Okay, so moving on, I will be applying my blush, which is this one. You guys can find this in Watsons or Guardian, but it's hard because it's always out of stock. And unfortunately, my cat did something to my blush and it's like this now. Okay, so before this step, you guys can actually do your contour for your face or your nose, but I don't like contour, so I'm not going to do it. Okay, so just dab. This is how I apply my blush, just like straight here. Okay, I think I'm done. Okay, so I forgot to film this part, my lashes part, so I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. Okay, so my lashes are naturally long and curly, so I don't use any eyelash curler or whatsoever. So this is how I apply my lashes, apply my mascara. So what I usually do is to apply it and wiggle the wand. It is slowly. Ta-da! Yes. So usually there will be 2 or 3 coats on my lashes, and it's not that heavy. And I got this mascara from Essence, and it's cheap and good. Okay, so yeah. So this is how my lashes look like. I can't wing. Okay. So lastly, I will apply my lipstick. Okay, so first of all, I will apply my lip balm. Any lip balm will do. My current favorite is this one from Colourpop. This shade is Prince Navin and it's like reddish in color. So that's one of my favorite lipsticks. So if I'm not in the mood to wear red lipstick, I will use my go-to favorite nude color. This is from SASA. The brand is Gosh. I think it's from Denmark, and it's really good. It's my favorite bullet lipstick. It looks like this. Ta-da! Okay. And I'm done. So this sums up my daily makeup routine. Usually it will take me 10 to 15 minutes to get ready. Yes, I don't usually do this, but for this video I'm going to finish my makeup off by using this spray from. Alright, so that is all for my daily makeup routine or tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, thank you for watching, and do remember to leave your feedback, ideas or suggestions, and do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a good day.